What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be replacing a broken fog light on my 2006 Acura TSX. And if you're familiar with the first generation Acura TSX, the 2004 to 2005 had the same bumper, and 2006 all the way to 2008 had this bumper. So if you have a 2007 or 2008 Acura TSX, this procedure is going to be the same. As you guys can see, the fog light is cracked and I don't even know where the missing pieces are. It does turn on though, so I know it works, but I'm going to be replacing this because it doesn't look good at all. I was driving on the highway and all of a sudden I heard this loud noise, which I thought came from my windshield, but when that noise went away, I looked at my windshield and didn't see anything. Well, a few weeks later, as I was walking towards the front of my car, that's where I noticed this, and I was still confused because I didn't know where this came from until I thought of that day I was driving on the highway and I heard that noise. So I believe a big rock probably came in front of this and broke this fog light, which made it sound like it cracked the windshield. Anyways, let's get on to the installation. Here's the new fog light and here is the manufacturer or distributor, and I'm just looking forward to installing it and replacing the broken one on the bumper. To get behind the fog light, I'm going to push this piece in. And it easily pops out, and then if you look from behind, you'll have access to the fog light. So I'm gonna take the fog light out from back here. So I took the fog light out, and what I did was I used a short stubby screwdriver, and there's two on this side, and from this side I was able to squeeze my hand in here and get that one screw out. So I just pulled out the whole unit out of this area over here, and here it is, the new one on the left and the old one on the right. Man, that's pretty bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap the bulb I have in here out into this one and reinstall. I installed the 3 screws and you can see it's not really aligned right here, so it needs adjustment. Now looking at the old unit right here, you can see the spring right here that needs to be adjusted. So I found out that you can use a long screwdriver, and from the bottom right here I should be able to stick the screwdriver up here and adjust the fog light right here. Now it's all aligned after adjusting the screw, so I'm going to put this back on and I should be done. And here's the end result of the fog light installation. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll try my best to respond. I'll see you in the next video.